Hello and welcome to Proactive's Just the Facts. It's been quite a busy week on the ASX's news front. Let's take a look at some of the top stories that made the list. Elixir Energy has confirmed drilling progress at the Diona 1 gas well in Queensland, as joint venture partner X-State Resources secures a key tenement milestone in the Sorot Basin. Omega Metals has uncovered a major new gold target just 500 metres from its Cape Ray deposits in Canada, a high-grade anomaly set for drilling later this year. Lithium Universe is eyeing Texas as the site for its solar panel recycling hub, with Brownsville's industrial port precinct flagged as a potential base for large-scale operations. American Uranium is set to begin drilling at its flagship Loherma project in Wyoming this month, a key step towards expanding one of the US's few near-term ISR uranium resources. Lightning Minerals has appointed veteran director David Vilensky as chairman, strengthening its board as the company advances drilling at its Mount Turner gold-silver project. European Lithium will launch a major share buyback of up to 135 million shares, saying its market value doesn't reflect its $678 million stake in Queensland's Tambreez Rare Earths project. This comes just a day after it secured full control of the Tambreez Rare Earths project in Greenland through an amended deal with Critical Metals Corp. Thank you for watching. Those were just the facts from some of the top stories that made the news this week on the ASX.